Ngicabanga ukuthi kulo 90 minutes we were in control. Created a number of chances. If ubuka ukuthi nje ku first 5 minutes bekufuna kube ngabe siconvertile kuleya chance letholwe nguSiyabonga. Kuqhubeka ke kwegame, igame beyivele i50-50. Sesiya kuma extra si attackile still. Unfortunately noma sesiyitholile penalty we couldn't convert. So ngasho nje ukuthi hey sine sibhlungu sigreen mamba kuyiluza lena ngibe siyifuna at all cost. Nema substitutions lesiwafakile ngicabanga ukuthi kube indlela la silethe down ngayo alifakele leligalelo besilithinga but nje vele lokusamaphala lesizini yethu ngiloko ukuthi vele asikakhoni ukuconverta ku striking force we are wanting ngasho njalo.
Coach, can you blame Stali as a citizen player for never such a glorious opportunity?
No. He blame your coach. He blame your coach. Uzamile. Yes, uzamile. Lo labamfundisa kona bo goalkeeper coach ngimbonile kwenda. The unfortunate thing ukuthi nje ube seso thatha I wrong side kuyendeka.